Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the sun icon right here. Tap on this icon. And here we can adjust the screen brightness. By default, the auto brightness will be enabled, so it will look like this. And the watch will adjust the brightness automatically according to the level of light. But if you want to adjust the brightness manually, you need to tap on the A icon to disable the auto brightness, like this. And then you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.